Dom. He's never been on a flight.
No.
He's terrified of flying. If you don't see the rest of this video, we died in the plane crash.
No. Where the flips our car?
Rental cars ahead. Basically, we're looking for our rental car, and the thing was closed. I don't know what car we're gonna get, but hopefully it's not like a Prius or something bad. Guys, this is our ride for the week. 2020 Town and Country. Psych. We got the GMC. We got the truck. Roll the truck edit. Nice little GMC AT4. I don't think it's an AT4. It's a nice little Sierra though. We are headed to Sherwin-Williams Automotive in Knoxville, Tennessee. This is the truck. It's a Duramax. It looks beautiful. Chevy. We're gonna prep this right now, tape some stuff off, start sanding it, and then we're actually gonna go to a warehouse to finish doing the entire truck. So basically we have completely sanded this truck with 60 grit. We're pulling it into the shop here, and we're just about ready to spray this thing. We thought we were gonna have to wait till tomorrow to spray it, but we think we can actually spray it today. Hopefully the rain holds off. It's gonna be sick.
It's raining really bad outside. Got a lot of prep done for the truck. Got some remaining supplies we needed. Now it's time to check it.
This customer literally met us through Instagram and decided to trust us to do his vehicle. He's not even here. And he said, I just want the MP signature finish. Whatever you guys think is best, treat it as your own. And that's exactly what we did. And behind me, what's going down is actually crazy. It looks so good.
Time to reveal this thing.
Y'all ready to see it? Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just like that, it's done. It looks actually crazy. We're actually doing a full vehicle liner in every state in the United States. So if you'd like to get your full vehicle done, DM us, message us somehow. We'd love to come to you and knock out all 50 states. We're gonna track hawk today. 1 a.m. Taco Bell in hand.
10 pounds.
First, we were supposed to check in this morning at 10 a.m. Now it is the next day at 1 a.m. The hotel called us, asked if we were even going to show up. But we're here. This place is beautiful. This is like a 5-star Ritz-Carlton.
The lights are on, but nobody's home.
Room tour coming soon.
Got our food here. Plain bacon cheeseburger. That's looking really good. A nine right now. That's a length. I'd come back, yeah. 9.
Here in downtown Knoxville, we just had a burger.
You know that place called?
Something butcher.
No.
I don't know. We ate a burger. It was a 9.2 out of 10. It was really good. We're about to do some shopping, walking around. Maybe buy the wife something nice. Wife, if I didn't buy you something nice, I'm gonna cut this out to give you. We're on the most side quest of side quests you could go on.
We're at Disney World.
We're practically at. We just went to a wax museum.
It's pretty legendary.
And now we're going to this place. Pretty legendary.
Yeah.
See inside. It doesn't move. The middle doesn't move. Maze.
Oh, okay, no, we gotta go this way because it's, you see the friction?
Made it to the Candyland Forest. I don't know how we got here. It's side quest after side quest after side quest. Me and Dom are even through 12. We'll let you know who wins. We're at Gacho something. Oh, we're right here. We just finished eating. We ate so much.
Alright, time to go to the truck.
We gotta go to the truck. We're going to the movies now, I think. And it's still raining outside.
Alright, just walked out the movies. It is 1:04 a.m. 12:04 Dallas time. Low-key, probably the best Marvel movie in like a while. I low-key, not gonna lie, a 9. I low-key, it was good.
Burger 9.
And, like,
movie 9.
maybe a spoiler, but like the way they killed him with kindness was really heartwarming at the end. They all hugged him, brought him back to life. I think we
Yeah.
got this way. This way.
We're headed back to the hotel. Get some shut-eye. And then wake up kind of early. Head to the airport. Pack up. Return the truck. We gotta return the truck. Pack up. And on my way to Dallas.
A little history lesson for you.
I don't want to say it. All right. We'll see you.
I'm serious.
We'll see you later. We're leaving. We'll see you guys later. To the airport. We're officially back home in Dallas. Got a big week this week, and
Very big week.
thank you for watching.
Probably gonna happen again.
MP Tennessee. Next state, here we come. See you on the next one.